Hi, welcome to another Creator Answers, and in this one I'm going to cover 5 quick tips that you can start using right away to help grow your channel. And these are the basics, these are the basic tips that everyone should be doing, everyone. Now if you like this sort of content, remember to hit that subscribe button and hit that alarm bell to be kept informed of all the content I put out. Let's get straight into it. Okay, we all want to grow our channel, we all want to get better at YouTube, and there are lots of things which we can do to improve that. But it's amazing how many people simply don't do them, and they don't understand why their channels aren't growing. Now, this is not an exhaustive list. There is more that you have to do than just this top 5, but with these top 5 things, they're a good, very good, essential starting point to help you get your channel off the ground. Okay, number 5, stop worrying about equipment. If you have a camera phone, you are good to go. Some of the biggest YouTubers in the world have nothing more than a camera phone, a lump of blue tack, and a table lamp. And that's all you need. If that, you know, just use the window, use daylight. Not having the gear, as long as you've got a basic camera that can record sound and video on your phone, you have enough to get started. You don't even need to worry about editing that much right away. Just start creating content, and don't say, oh, I've got to have that £2,000 GH5, I've got to have that new lens, I've got to have that best Audio-Technica microphone or something. You don't. Nice to have. By all means get them if you want them and if you can afford them. You do not need them. So stop worrying about gear. You've probably got enough to get going already. Number 4, make a commitment and be consistent. And this means quite a lot of things actually. When you start to create your channel, when you start to build your Facebook page, your YouTube channel, wherever you're creating your content, wherever you're putting your video out there, you need to start building an audience, and that audience will need to see your videos regularly and on time. You need to be consistent, and there's lots of barriers which are going to get in the way of you creating your content. Your friends and your family may mock and scorn you for like trying to, oh, what are you doing with your crazy ideas of becoming a YouTuber, or you doing with your video blogging stuff, you know. People will try, and if they don't understand it, they'll try and pull you down. Also, it takes a lot of time, and so you need to be prepared to make that sacrifice. I can't remember the last time I was able to really sit down and play a video game or watch a box set on Netflix, or even socialize with my friends the way I used to. Having a full-time job and running a YouTube channel, it takes up pretty much all of my time with the exception of gym and sleep. I very rarely get to any time for anything else. So you need to be prepared to make that commitment and decide for yourself how important to you is your channel. Think about that. And if it's as important as you may be saying, that it's so important you have to do it, then is it more important than playing Xbox games? Is it more important than watching television shows? Find that balance and decide for yourself how important it is, and that's how you can decide how much of a commitment you need to give to your channel. And I promise you, if you don't commit to your channel, viewers are not going to commit to your content. It's brutal, but it's the truth. Number 3, join YouTube communities. There are loads of them, and one of the best things that I have found to keep me positive, to keep me growing, is by joining these communities, these groups. I'm going to put some links in the description below, but there are certain things that will really help you grow your channel. Join Nck Nimmin. His link is below. He does a live feed every Saturday, and he gives tips, live tips for everyone on how to create, how to grow, how to improve your graphics. He even does on-air reviews of channels. You need to get involved in that group. Brian G. Johnson, he's very similar to Nck Nimmin in that he does videos and he does live streams and he does channel reviews and he gives tips, and he also has a huge Facebook group where everybody in that group actively helps each other and watches each other's content, and you can really see the people there who are serious and want to grow and help everybody else in that community, and you can also see the entitled chancers who turn up. Or I might just look at my video, sub for sub, all of that nonsense. They don't last long. So join a committed community of other creators and help each other grow together, and you'll see what I mean. Number 2, be prepared to learn new skills. I'm not joking when I say that becoming a creator, becoming a video blogger means you've pretty much got to become a one-person broadcasting house. You need to learn how to shoot video, how to present, how to write scripts, how to record sound, how to do your SEO and your thumbnails and your tags, how to research the keywords for your content. All of these things you have to learn how to do, or be prepared to pay somebody else to do them for you. You need to be prepared to learn, and you need to be prepared to put effort in. So often we'll see people begging for, please do my thumbnails for me, please do this for me, please do that for me. And they've put no effort in themselves to figure it out for themselves. And here's the thing. For example, you want to make a YouTube channel. YouTube is full on videos just like this very video that you were watching that tells you how to set up a YouTube channel, how to edit your content, what camera to choose. I put them out myself. Nck Nimmin, Brian Johnson. There are tons of resources available to help you grow your channel, to help you create your graphics. You have to be prepared to learn. If you're somebody who's, oh, I can never do that, then you know what? Face it, you can never do a YouTube channel. If you don't understand how to do all of that stuff, you're going to face a very, very steep hill. It's a brutal reality with YouTube, Facebook video, Amazon video, Instagram. All of these social media networks are competitive. If you want to create a channel, you are competing with people who are prepared to put the effort into their channel. Keep that in mind, because if you're not prepared to do the same thing, go home. This is a tough video, guys. I'm just trying to give you some hard facts here. This is, but if you're prepared to do that, hey, you got a good chance of succeeding. The number one thing you can do right now to start improving and to start growing your channel, do it. Create videos. Get up right now. When this video finishes, grab your phone and video blog. Talk about your cats. Think about the game that you just played. Just write it up. Do a video essay. Do something. Start creating. Because once you do, and if you like it, you will keep doing it and you'll get better and better and better. I look at my videos from 2 years ago. Oh, they are toe-curlingly bad. But this is like my 260th video for, cutting the caboose and creator answers now. And it gets easier and you get better and you get faster and you get better at presenting and knowing where to look and not looking at your script every 5 minutes and all of that sort of stuff. So just start. Don't worry that your first year or two are going to be like really difficult and you're going to make some really, really hinky content. It's fine. It gets better. And the way it gets better is by doing it over and over and over again. And that's it. That are my top 5 ways, basic ways, the minimum that you can do to start growing your YouTube channel. Now, I've put links to resources below, like Brian G. Johnson, like Nck Nimmin. You've got to check these guys out because they will give you so much additional information on how to create your thumbnails, how to design everything. You put all this together, putting tech tips up on here and editing tips. Absorb this knowledge because you know what? That's the way to do it. You've got to become pretty good at doing this or have the resources to pay somebody else. Simple as that. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please comment, like, share, subscribe, even dislike. It's all engagement. It's fine. Popping up on the side is my most recent video and another video that YouTube has selected just for you. So go ahead and click and don't forget to hit that alarm bell. Thank you so much and I shall see you in the very next show. Bye-bye.